In the beginning was Allah, the all-knower, the exalted of all the universe, the creator, the omnipresent one with his power, over all other internally tower. Sing songs of death, internally master. Sing praises of death, mighty ruler. He is the one who is the merciful. He is the sustainer, he is the creator. Sing songs of death, internally master. Sing praises of death, mighty ruler. He is the one who is the bountiful, who makes this world indeed beautiful. Honorable my viewers, respectable my teachers, and all my dear friends and fellows, Assalamu alaikum. As today we are celebrating Latif and Sindh, my topic is the corruption is the root of every problem in Sindh and Pakistan. I start my speech with this poetry. मेरी आदत नहीं जख्मों पे नमक पाशी की, मेरी आदत नहीं जख्मों पे नमक पाशी की, क्या करूं अगर ये दाग दिखाऊं ना तुझको, मैंने ये किस्सा कहा इसलिए होकर मजबूर, जो तेरा फर्ज है वो याद दिलाऊं तुझको. Respected sir, in philosophical, theological or moral discussions, corruption is spiritual or moral impurity and deviation from an ideal. Corruption may include many activities, including bribery and embezzlement. Usually, corruption occurs when an office holder or any other employee acts in an official capacity for personal gain. Respected sir, in our country, there are many different scales of corruption in different sectors, as in legislative system, executive system, judiciary system, corporate, unions, and non-government organizations. Respected sir, in systemic corruption and grand corruption, multiple methods are used concurrently with small elements like bribery, embezzlement, thief, fraud, extortion, and blackmailing. I continue my speech with this poetry. इज्जत-ए-नफ्स किसी शख्स की महफूज नहीं, इज्जत-ए-नफ्स किसी शख्स की महफूज नहीं, अब तो अपने नगहबान से भी डर लगता है. डंके की चोट पे जालिम को बुरा कहता हूँ, रसूली से न दिलदानों से डर लगता है. Respected sir, in our country, corruption is widespread, particularly in the government, military, and lower levels of police forces. Our beloved country, Pakistan, is 34th most corrupt country in the world. Media is continuously exposing cases. As 26 billion corruption in Pak steel mills, national insurance scandal, 500 million in Pak in PIF, embezzlement in Pak steel mills, Hajj corruption, rental power corruption, netto containers, 19,000 containers are missing. Malak Riaz media gate case. Respected sir, education, healthcare, law, enforcement, and police, public, utilities, sports, taxation. Simply, there is no any sector in Pakistan which may be free from corruption. Respected sir, if a common man is corrupt, then education may take action, legislation may legislate against corruption, and judiciary may deal with cases and decisions. But what happened? What happened when Ganga flows upward? Here is the legislation, execution, judiciary, and mullah military. All are washing hands from same water of corruption. Because here is the reconciliation, everybody is agreed and everybody is introduced. They all are agreed to one another. A highly reformation is required in every sector for the bright future of our country and the beloved country for the Pakistan. In the end, if we want to finish and eradicate the corruption, but दीप जिनके चंद ख्वाहिशों में चले, दीप जिनके चंद ख्वाहिशों में चले, दीप जिनके चंद मोहल्लों में जले, चंद लोगों की ख्वाहिश को लेके चले जो कि मुस्नद के सायों में पले. ऐसे दस्तूर को बेनूर को मैं नहीं मानता, मैं नहीं जानता. रिस्पेक्टेड सर, तख्तदार से मैं भी मंसूर हूँ, कह दो यार से, क्यों डराते हो जिंदान की दीवार से, जुल्म की रात को, जिहालत की बात को मैं नहीं मानता, मैं नहीं जानता. Dare to be different because we are different.